The financial end of a divorce can be complex, and even after practicing for many years, I still find it to be a huge benefit to have a financial professional as a neutral involved in a collaborative divorce to help us come up with the smartest way to divide assets, to budget your money moving forward, to consider housing options, to consider spousal support and child support, and creative ways that it could be paid to preserve the wealth that you have amassed throughout the years of your marriage. In a collaborative divorce process, we are able to craft an agreement that is very specific to you and your financial circumstances. It's a wonderful asset to have a financial professional be part of the team and give us fresh new ideas that perhaps we wouldn't have thought of without that person's involvement, to come up with creative solutions that make sense for you. It leads to much better outcomes than can happen at the end of a litigation, where a court is dictating to you what will happen with your finances. In a collaborative divorce, spousal support can be considered in different and creative ways. Of course, we will consider the law and the formula under New York State law, but we can depart from that law in a way that may make sense for your family. Collaborative divorce gives you the freedom and the time and space to consider different options, and that is definitely true when it comes to support. In New York State, we have a formula to help determine spousal support based on the parties' respective incomes. And sometimes the result of that formula can create circumstances that are very difficult for you to meet your financial goals. So whether it be that you decide to pay more or less than the spousal support calculator dictates, collaborative divorce gives you the freedom and ability to consider other options that may be better for your family, rather than to have a court dictate to you what will happen. One of the best benefits of a collaborative divorce is to have a financial neutral there to help support the parties and the attorneys to come up with optimal solutions for you. A great example of this is when it comes to tax impacts. I am not a CPA. I am not an accountant, and I'm not afraid to tell my clients when there is something that perhaps I don't know, that I could figure out a way to do it better if I had a financial professional there to help. Collaborative divorce gives you that unique opportunity. In my experience as a divorce attorney, one of the most challenging areas of a divorce is dealing with the distribution of retirement assets. It can be a minefield. And for those of us who are not experts, which are basically all of us divorce attorneys, if we're being honest, it is a huge benefit to go to a financial neutral and have them assist in figuring out the best way to divide those assets. Collaborative divorce gives you the ability to have a knowledgeable financial professional help us to make good decisions moving forward. If you have any questions about collaborative divorce and how it may help you to achieve a better financial outcome in your divorce, then I invite you to give us a call at the Joseph Law Group and learn more.